cuties, and welcome back. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys this look. So if you guys want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna start with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm gonna be prepping my eyelid with this. I'm using the shade Teint. So I'm gonna apply some of this color right here on the Jaclyn Hill palette. Poof, I think it's called, and I'm just gonna apply that on the brow bone. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pick some of this color in here from the same palette. And I'm just gonna apply that on my crease. I'm gonna go with that color, and I'm gonna apply that color over that shade that I just applied. I'm gonna go with this color right here, and I'm going to apply that a little tighter on my crease. And we're gonna go back into this color right here from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the first palette that she launched. And I'm going to apply that color on the crease a little tighter and a little lower than that first orange that I put on. I kind of like put this color all over that first color because I wasn't feeling it. Just didn't like it, how it looked. So I brought it a little higher up. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on the crease. Just to see. Give it a little bit of depth. And then I'm going to keep this dark brown only on the outer corner. Like right here. I'm actually creating like a little V in there. I'm gonna go in with a clean fluffy brush, and I am just going to go over my crease to make sure that everything is blended and there is no harsh lines. I'm going to apply this green right here all over my lid. I like it. Who would have thought I will like green eyeshadow? And I'm just going to grab a small brush, like a tiny brush, and apply some of that dark brown on the outer corner right here to blend it in. I'm just putting that brown on my crease, and I'm just going back and forth, and then go back with that orange shade because I feel like it kind of got lost. I am going to grab the black on this palette and kind of do a little liner. So I'm putting that black on the outer corner right there, and I'm gonna go in and blend it with this. So for lashes today, I'm gonna be using the Ardel lashes in the style Mega Volume. I get these ones at Sally, and you get 4 in a package, so it's pretty good. If I can open it. Lashes are on. I'm gonna move on, and I'm gonna prep my skin with my Glow Enhancer from Elciecosmetics. I'm gonna apply that all over my face. I'll do 1, 2, 3, like four drops. Okay. I'm also going to apply the Mercier, what is this? Foundation Primer Radiance. Oh, yes, so beautiful. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Lancome Teint Idol foundation. I'm using the shade 410, and I'm just gonna apply some at the back of my hand. I just did like 2 pumps, and we'll see how that goes. I feel like the color is perfect. Well, it doesn't feel heavy at all. It is, I'll say, a medium to full coverage. Because I have some redness in here, it covered up pretty well, but I can still see it. And I have this massive thing in here, which we don't want to talk about. I will not be addressing this issue right here. I'm gonna use a cream contour. I'm gonna be using Il Maquillage. This is in the shade Gel Mocha. And I'm gonna go ahead with this brush right here. I'm gonna pick some of that. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to start applying some into my forehead. And I'm gonna bring it down here a little, down here, and pushing it back to my hairline. Apply some in my cheeks, some down here, underneath my jawline. Squeeze the brush in. I'm only gonna go halfway here, and then I'm just gonna do the tip. And I'm gonna grab my sponge, and I'm gonna go over all that. I'm gonna be using this Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I'm just gonna grab some on my finger and kind of like dotted in there. And then I'm gonna go in with my concealer from Mercier. I'm gonna be using a little bit of 4N. And over that, I am going to put a little bit of 3W. So for powder today, I'm gonna be using my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to take some out on my sponge. I'm going to dust it out on my hand, and then I'm going to set my under eye. Now that my entire face is set, we're going to bake. Grab a little more of that powder and we are baking in here. I'm gonna apply some of that black on the outer corner. I'm only gonna bring it halfway though. I'm gonna put some of these bronzer from Elcie. The shade is medium, and I'm gonna blend that right in. Eyebrows are done. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some bronzer. I'm gonna use the Elciecosmetics in the shade medium. So for blush, let's use our all-time favorite, Nars in Orgasm. I'm gonna set my face with the MAC Fix Plus. I put a little bit of my Tasha in there, a little bit of that inside that. I'm just gonna set my face. So for highlighters today, I'm going to be using my Elciecosmetics highlighter. I have Sol right here in Luna. And I think I'm going to apply a little bit of Luna first. And then I'm gonna go in with Sol. And apply some of that over Luna. And I'm going to go over again with my Fix Plus. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and like. I'm gonna be leaving my social media account link below. So if you guys wanna be friends, just follow me there too. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon.